In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page number 1 from Microsoft Word documents. If you've got a title page or a cover that shouldn't show a page number, the fastest and most reliable way to hide just that first number is built right into Word. You won't need to reformat your whole document or redo your numbering, just a quick tweak in the header or footer. Start by opening your document and going to the very first page. Move your mouse near the top margin or the bottom margin and double-click. That puts Word into header and footer editing mode. You'll see the header and footer areas become active, and a header and footer toolbar or tab will appear at the top of the window. This is where Word controls page numbers and other repeating elements, so you don't have to edit every page individually. Now, look for the option labeled Different First Page. It's a simple checkbox or toggle in the header and footer tools. Turn it on. The moment you do, Word creates a unique header and footer for the first page only. That means anything that lives in the regular header or footer, like an automatic page number, will no longer appear on page 1, but it will remain on page 2 and beyond. You'll notice that your subsequent pages keep their numbering exactly as before, so your layout remains consistent. If the number still shows on the first page after you enable Different First Page, it's usually because that number isn't actually in the header or footer. It might be typed directly in the document body or placed inside a text box or shape. The Different First Page setting only affects content inside the header or footer areas. Delete that manual number, or move it into the header or footer, and the setting will take care of hiding it on page 1 for you. When you're done, click Close Header and Footer at the top, or simply double-click back in the main document area to exit editing mode. Give the document a quick scroll to confirm. Your cover or title page should now be clean, and the rest of the pages should still display their numbers. A quick note for longer documents. Different First Page is applied per section. If your file uses section breaks, for example, different chapters, you may want to repeat this on the first page of any section where you want the number hidden. This is helpful when combining a clean title page with professional, continuous numbering throughout the rest of your work. That's it. Double-click to open the header or footer, then enable Different First Page. Simple, fast, and clean.